The novel coronavirus has infected more than 3 million people globally and led to over 2 lakh deaths. The US coronavirus death toll reached a grim milestone on Tuesday, surpassing the number of American lives lost in the Vietnam War, as Florida's governor met with President Donald Trump to discuss easing the shutdowns aimed at curbing the pandemic. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said that new hospitalizations for the novel coronavirus dropped to a 1-month low and laid out a plan to employ thousands of case investigators under criteria for reopening his state. The 3-day rolling average of the number of people newly hospitalized for COVID-19 fell to 953 in New York on Monday, Cuomo said, adding that intubations and total hospitalizations also fell. It was the first time new hospitalizations dropped below 1,000 levels since March 24. An additional 335 New Yorkers died on Monday, about 100 fewer than the level 3 days ago. India's COVID-19 tally crossed the 31,000 mark today while the death toll rose to 1,007. The country recorded a total of 31,332 cases, of which 22,629 are active cases, while 7,695 have been cured. Around 20 out of 725 samples have tested meanwhile positive for coronavirus according to the test conducted at the King George Medical University in Lucknow. Now apparently 4 people from Lucknow, 9 people from Agra and 7 people from Firozabad tested positive for the disease. In West Bengal, the state reported 2 more COVID-19 fatalities on Tuesday, raising the death toll due to the deadly virus in the state to 22. A CRPF battalion in Delhi has reported 47 cases of coronavirus, including 1 Jawan who died yesterday. The entire battalion, nearly 1,000 people, have been quarantined. The 31st Battalion of the CRPF in East Delhi's Mayur Vihar has seen a massive spike in the number of cases in the last couple of days. The Jawans who tested positive are being treated at a facility in the capital's Mandavli. Tests are being conducted to check there are more cases. A 55-year-old Jawan, meanwhile, who is from Assam, died at Safdarganj Hospital yesterday. The Jawan also had diabetes and hypertension. US Commission mandated to monitor religious freedom globally on Tuesday asked the State Department to designate 14 nations, including India, as countries of particular concern, alleging that the religious minorities are under increasing assault in these nations. These include 9 countries that the State Department designated as CPCs in December 2019, which include Myanmar, China, Eritrea, Iran, North Korea, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Tajikistan and Turkmenistan, as well as 5 others: India, Nigeria, Russia, Syria, Vietnam. Now, US Commission for International Religious Freedom said in its annual report released on Tuesday. In the 2020 edition of its annual report on international religious freedom, the USCIRF alleged that in 2019, religious freedom conditions in India experienced a drastic turn downward, with religious minorities under increasing assault. Rejecting the findings of the annual report by the USCIRF that include particular criticism of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act, India said the panel's misrepresentation has reached a new level. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said, "We reject the observation on India in the USCIRF annual report. Its biased and tendentious comments against India are not new. But on this occasion, its misrepresentation has reached new levels. It has not been able to carry its own commissioners in its endeavor. We regard it as an organization of particular concern and will treat it accordingly."
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.